Okay, friends, good evening. In last class, in your directions, we discussed old models. We discussed old model. Also, friends, see here, today we are going to discuss new models in our directions. Yes. So, friends, see here, in last class, I given one question is for your practice. One question is for your practice. Now, friends, see here, they given this question in last year in SBI PO mains and SBI PO mains. Yes, friends, see here. Friends, here, the given one is what? Friends, see here. Totally, we are having six cars. Totally, we are having six cars. A to F are parked in a straight line. Are parked in a straight line, but not necessarily in the same order. But not necessarily in the same order. Next, when dimension is one, the distance between each car is successive multiple of three. The distance between each car is successive multiple of three. Offensive here dimension is what? The distance between each car is successive multiple of 3. What the meaning of successive multiple of 3 mean? Sub check here. 3. Next successive multiple is what? 6. Next one is what? 9, 12, 15, then and so on. Yes. So the dimension is what? The successive multiple of 3. The successive multiple of 3. Yes, leave it. So next point dimension is what? The distance between car A and B. The distance between car A and B is, see here, the distance between car A and B is 33 meter. The distance between car A and B is 33 meter. Full stop. Friends, car A is parked immediate left of car B. Car A is parked immediate left of car B. Yes. The distance between car B and C is 75. Distance between car B and C is 75. Yes, friends, here. Often dimension is one. The distance between car B and C is 75. Car B and C is 75. Next dimension is what? Car D is parked left of C, but not immediate left. See here. When dimension is car D is parked left of C, but not immediate left. Then leave it. Next dimension is what? The distance between car E and F is 99 meter. The distance between car E and F is 99 meter. Next, the distance between car E and D is multiple of 2. The distance between car E and D is multiple of 2. Friends, till now they given this entire information is regarding to only arrangement. This entire one is regarding to only arrangement. See here. Friends, this entire information is regarding to arrangement. Now, friends, here after that, now each and every car is moving. Now every car is moving. See here. The mention is one car F moves for 12 meters in north direction. 12 meters in north direction. Next one is what? Takes right turn, moves for 63 meter. Next one is what? Takes right turn again. Next one is what? Moves for 6 meter and stops at point Z and stops at point Z. Yes. So next one is what? Car C moves for 18 meter in south direction, takes right turn, moves for 75 meter, takes right turn again, moves for 7 meter and stops at point X. Next one is what? Car M is parked 30 meter west of Z. Car M is parked 30 meter west of Z. It moves 77 meter towards west and stops at point Y. Now, friends, here the again question is what? How many cars are parked between D and F? How many cars are parked between D and F? Friends, at present, this model is very important. At present, this model is very important. Yes. Friends, again, I will explain first question. I will explain first question. Next question, I will give chance to solve and I will give chance to solve. Friends, yes or no? Shall I explain or you people will solve? Friends, yes or no? Those one who are watching this video, then try to give comment. Shall I explain or you people will try? Yes, friends, here. Friends, here I will explain this question. I will explain this question. Next question I will give chance to solve one. I will give chance to solve. Yes, friends, here. Friends, here they mention is what? See here. Friend, total we are having six cars. Total we are having six cars. A to F are parked in a straight line, but not necessarily in the same order. Leave it. A distance between each car is successive multiple of 3. Yes. The mention is what? Distance between each car is successive multiple of 3. Suppose we take here 3. Next successive multiple of 3 is what? 6. Next one is what? 9. Next one is what? 12. Then next one is what? And so on. Next one is what? And so on. Friends, here they mention successive multiple. They mention successive multiple. Yes. Then leave it. Friends, here. Next dimension is what? The distance between car A and B is 33 meter. Yes, friends, here. Friends, take here. The measurement is one. See here. The distance between car A and B is 33 meter. The distance between car A and B is 33 meter. Otherwise, distance between B and A is 33 meter. See here. Distance between car A and B is 33 meter. Otherwise, car B and A is 33 meter. Yes. Next, leave it. Friends, next point is one. Car A is parked immediate left of car B. Car A is parked immediate left of car B. Friends, by default, all cars are facing north and all cars are facing north. All are facing north means for B, left hand is one, right hand. Now in this case, car A is parked immediate left of car B. Yes, our requirement also, car A is parked immediate left of car B. Suppose when check here, if you are going to take this possibility, and in this case here B is facing north. B is facing north means here in this case A is right. Car A is right of B, but our requirement is what? Immediate left. That means here there is no chance for here this down possibility. There is no chance for this down possibility. There is chance for only up possibility. There is chance for only up possibility. Yes, friends. Here now I will take here. Friends, take here. Here we are having car A. Next here we are having car B. Yes, the distance between car A and B is 33 meter. The distance between car A and B is 33 meter. Here they're facing north means for B left hand and right hand. Now car A is parked immediate left of car B. Car A is parked immediate left of car B. Yes. Friends, leave it. Friend, next the given clue point is one. The distance between each car is successive multiple of 3. The distance between each car is successive multiple of 3. Friends, here they given multiple is what? See here, 33 and they given 33. Next successive multiple of 3 is what? 36. Again we are having one car. Next one is what? 39. Next again we are having one car. Next above one check here. Next multiple is what? 42. Again we are having one car. Then and so on. Then and so on. Friends, here the mention is what? The distance between each car is what? The distance between each car is successive multiple of 3 means here 33. Next successive multiple of 3 is what? 36. Next one is what? 39. Again we are having one car. Then and so on. Then and so on. See here. Then and so on. Yes. So above check here. For 33 before successive multiple of 3 is what? Dimension is what? 30. Next again we are having one car. Next before multiple is what? 27. Next again we are having one car. Then and so on. Then and so on. Yes. Friends, if you are able to take this point, then now entire arrangement is easy. And friends, here friend dimension is found. The distance between car A and B is 33 meter. Next car A is parked immediate left of car B. Car A is parked immediate left of car B. Friends, now the measurement is what? See here. The distance between each car is successive multiple of 3. The distance between each car is successive multiple of 3. So friends, here the again clue point is what? This one is what? 33. Next successive multiple of 3 is what? 36. Next one is what? 39. Then and so on. Next before multiple is what? 33 before 3 multiple is what? 30. Next one is what? 27. Then and so on. Yes. Friends, if you are able to take this one means now entire arrangement is easy and entire arrangement is easy. Next leave it. Friend, next point is one. See here. Friends, leave it. Next go for next point. See here. Friend, dimension is one. See here. Car A is parked immediate left of car B. Car A is parked immediate left of car B. Come to it. Next, the distance between car B and C is 75. Distance between car B and C is 75. So friends, here we know already B position. We know already B position. Now the mention is what? The distance between car B and C is 75. Car B and C is 75. That means friends, here we know already B position. Suppose friends check here. We know already B position means see here. We know already B position means suppose when check here left of B and check here left of B. Left of B, if you are going to add any distances, totally 75. One check is then chance means see here left of B 36, 30, 63. Next 70, there is no chance for 75. Then go for right of B. Go for right of B. Now the measurement is what? The distance between car B and C is 75. Distance between car B and C is 75. See here. The measurement is what? The distance between car B and C is 75. Now friends, here distance between car B and C is 75. Now see here B. Then this one is what? 36. This one is what? 39. 36 plus 39 total is what? 75. Then this one is what? Car C. This one is what? Car C. Now the distance between car B and C is 75. Completed. Yes. Friend, next point is what? See here. Car D is parked. Car D is parked. See here. Car D is parked left of C. Car D is parked left of C, but not immediate left. See here. Car D is parked left of C, but not immediate. When they are facing north means for say this one is part left hand, this one is part right hand. Now car D is parked left of C, but not immediate means for D here, no chance. That means maybe these are the possibilities for D. These are the possibilities for D. Yes, then leave it. Next point, see leave it. Next point is what? See the distance between car E and F is 99. Yes, again. Friends, the measurement is what? The distance between car E and F is 99. That means, friends, again, if you are going to add any distances, then total is 99. Total is 99. That means which distances we are going to add means, suppose friends check here, friends add any distances, then it will become total is what? 99. Suppose friends check here, if you are going to add figure 30, 33, total is what? 63. 30, 33, total is what? 63. 30, 63 plus 36 total is what? 99. Total is what? 99. Yes. That means here the distance between here car E and F. That means this one is what? E may then this one is what? F. Otherwise this one is E may then this one is what? F. This one is what? F. Now friends here the distance between car E and F is 99. E and F is 99. See here 30, 33 total is what? 63. 63 plus 36 total is what? 99. Yes, the distance between car E and F is 99. Otherwise, car F or E is 99. Friends, once E and F is complete means before point dimension is what? Car D is parked left of C. Car D is parked left of C, but not immediate. Car D is parked left of C, but not immediate means now see here left of D, left of C. That means here now only possibility is what? This is the remaining possibility for D. This is the remaining possibility for D. That means when total how many cars we are having? See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars are completed. 6 cars are completed. That means see here. Then this side there is no chance for any other cars. Yes. Next. This side also there is no chance for any other cards. There is no chance for any other cards. Yes. Now friends here, when the maximum is found, the distance between car E and F is 99. Otherwise F and E is 99. Yes, leave it. Friends, again the maximum clue point is found. The distance between car E and DA, the distance between car E and DA is multiple of 2. Yes. Now friends here, the distance between car E and DA is multiple of 2. Suppose friends check here, we don't know about E and F exact position. Suppose if I will take here E means, if I will take here E, now distance between D and D is what? 27. Distance between D and D is what? 27. It is not multiple of 2. It is not multiple of 2 means for E here, no chance. For E here, no chance. For E here, no chance means this one is fixed for F. When this one is fixed for F made, then this one is fixed for E. This one is fixed for E. Yes. Now friends here, our requirement is what? The distance between car E and F is 99. Next, the distance between car D and E is multiple of 2. Distance between car D and E is multiple of 2. Distance between D and E is what? This one is what? 27. Next, this one is what? 30. Then this one is what? 33. This one is what? 36. Then friends here, 3 plus 6 total is what? 9. 9 plus 7 is what? Total is what? 16. Now friends here, 3, 6, 9. Next 10 total is what? 126. Friends here, 126 means here multiple of 2. 126 means what? Multiple of 2. That means the distance between car D and E is multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. Yes. So friends, till now we solved only arrangement. Yes. Now once arrangement is complete means after dimension is what? See here. Now every car is moving. Dimension is what? See here. Car F moves for 12 meters in north direction. Yes. Friends, take care. Car F moves for 12 meters in north direction. Take here. Car F moves for 12 meters in north direction. 12 meters in north direction. Yes. Next one is what? 12 meters in north direction. Then takes right turn. Now friends here. Friends here facing north turn. Facing north means one is what? Left hand. This one is what? Right hand. This one is what? Right hand. Then takes right turn. And moves for 63 meter. Now see here. Friends, takes right turn and moves for 63 meter. That means this one is what? 30, this one is what? 33. Total is what? 63. Takes right turn and moves for 63 meter. Now friends, here moves for 63 meter. Now it is facing east me, then top is left hand, then bottom is right hand. Next, after next 63 meter, after that it takes right turn, again moves for 6 meter and stops at point Z. Next again it will takes right turn and moves for and moves for 6 meter and moves for 6 meter and stops at point Z and stops at point Z. Yes, again. And stops at point Z. Yes. Now, friends, again, car F moves for 12 meters in north direction, then takes right turn, moves for 63 meter, again takes right turn, moves for 6 meter and stops at point Z. Yes. So, friends, here my question is, what is the distance between car B and Z? What the distance between car B and point Z? Then give your comment as your answer and as your answer. So friends, here they mention one is what? See here, distance between car B and Z. Yes, leave it. Next, friends, leave it about next one. See here. Next point is what? Car C moves for 18 meters in south direction. Yes, friends, stay here. Friends, now they mention is what? Stay here. Car C moves for 18 meters in south direction. 18 meters in south direction. Now facing south means one is what? Left hand. One is what? Right hand. Next one is what? Takes right turn. Takes right turn. Yes. Dineshwaran, your answer is correct. Yes, Vasudev, your answer also correct. And why means friends here? When they mention is what? The distance, but this one total is what? 12 meter. This one is total is 12 meter means this one is what? 6 meter means then car B to Z. Then answer is what? 6 meter. Yes, answer is what? 6 meter. Yes. Then leave it. Friends here. Car C moves for 18 meters in south direction. 18 meters in south direction. Next takes right turn. Yes, here. Takes right turn and moves for 75 and moves for 75 May, then this one is what? 39, this one is what? 36 and takes right turn and moves for 75 meter and moves for 75 meter. See here, takes right turn and moves for 75 meter. Now car C is at this point. Car C is at this point. Next, at this point, see here, again the next one is what? See here. At this point, see here, 75 meter, it takes right turn again and moves for 7 meter. Now friends, here, facing west end. Facing west means top is right hand, then bottom is left hand. Then takes right turn, then takes right turn and moves for, see here. The maximum is what? Takes right turn and moves for 7 meter and moves for 7 meter and stops at point X and stops at point X. So friends here, now friends here the given question is what is the distance between car B and point X? Then give your answer as comment. Your answer as comment. See here. The mention is what is the distance between car B and point X? Car B and point X. Next friends here. Now car C moving also completed. Car C moving also completed. Yes, leave it. Next go for next one. See here. Next dimension is what? Car M is parked. Car M is parked. Sige. 13 meter west of Z. Yes, friends. Sige. The mention is what? Car M is parked 13 meter west of Z. Yes. What's the your answer is correct? Yes. Answer is what? 11. Why means friend this total is what? 18. This total is 18. This one is 7 May. The remaining is what? 11. Yes. Next. Sige. Next friends. Sige. Next go for next one. Sige. The mention is what? Car M is parked 13 meter west of Z. Car M is parked 13 meter west of Z. Now friends, here we know point Z and see we know point Z. See this one is what? Point Z. Now they mention is what? Car M is parked. See car M is parked. See 13 meter west of Z. Car M is parked 13 meter west of Z means when this total is what? 33. Out of 33, here 13 completed. 13 completed. That means remaining is what? Here remaining we are having 20 from this point to A. See here. From this point to A, remaining is what? 20. Remaining is what? 20. Yes. Car M is parked 13 meter west of Z. When this totally 33 means, this one is 13 means remaining is what? 20. Remaining is what? 20. Yes, leave it. Now they mention is what? It moves 77 meter towards west direction. It moves 77 meter towards west direction. Yes, friends here. Friends, it moves up to M is what? 20. But our requirement is what? 77. Then up to F means what? This one is what? 30. 30 plus 20 total is what? 50. But our requirement is what? 77 means it moves up to point. They given point is what? Point Y. They given one is what? Point Y. Yes. And stops at point Y. See here 20, 30 total is what? 50 plus remaining here 27 total is what? 77. Now friends again, then give your answer as comment. What the distance between car D and point Y? What the distance between car D and point Y? Answer is what? Distance between car D and point Y. Answer is distance between car D and point Y. Friends, those one who are watching this video, then try to give your comment. 8%. This model is very, very important. This model is very, very important. Yes, Balu, your answer is correct. Why means when this total is what? 12. Total is 12 means this one is 6 means then remaining this one is what? 6. Then distance between car D and Y is 6. Distance between car D and Y is 6. Yes. So friends again, now friends the given question is what the answer for given question? How many cars are parked between car D and F? Again, how many cars are parked between car D and F? Between D and F, how many cars we are having? Friends, answer is between D and F, how many cars we are having? Yes, answer is one. None. Yes, Balu, your answer is correct. Next, Angela, your answer also correct. Next, friends, what about remaining? Friends, the given is one. How many cars are parked between car D and F? Friends, again, what's there? How it is? One car. 1 second, check your answer. Dineshwaran, your answer also correct. Yes, zero. That means none. No car is parked between D and F. Sige. Friends, sige. Between D and F, is there any car is parked? Sige. The again question is what? How many cars are parked between car D and F? How many cars are parked between car D and F? Friends, between D and F, here there is no car. Between D and F, there is no car. Then simple answer is what? None. Then answer is what? None. Here none means what? Zero. None means what? Zero. Yes. Friends, your answer is what? None. Answer is what? None. Yes. Friends, this one is easy one, not tough one. They given this question is for 5 marks in our SBI PO mains. Then this one is easy one, not tough one. Just give your comment. After that, in this question, is there any doubt? If you are having a doubt, then give comment. Then simply I will explain. Vasudev, easy. Yes. Next. No, sir. No doubt. Next. What about remaining? When those one who are watching this video, try to give comment whether it is easy one or tough one, or is there any doubt? Easy, but it will take some time. Yes, Balu, remember, if it's a PO mains means your paper level is easy and your paper level is easy, but they will give little bit lengthy. They will give little bit lengthy. Yes. Next, yes, friends. Shall I go for next question? Friends, first they will conduct SBI PO mains. After completion of SBI PO mains, next they will conduct SBI clerical. They will conduct SBI clerical. But in last year SBI clerical mains, they repeated same question. They repeated this same question. So when they repeat the same question, next go for last year SBI clerical mains. Last year SBI clerical mains. Yes, friends, here. Next, solve next question. Same model and solve next question. 6 horses A to F are made to stand in a row. 6 horses A to F are, are made to stand in a row facing north. Yes, Vasudev, what is this question number? That means if you want means, friends, one check. Last year SBI PO means memory based paper. In that we are going to get exactly. I didn't remember question number. One check your memory based paper and yes, friends, here. Friends, they gave this question in last year SBI clerical means and last year SBI clerical means they repeated same question. See, in the previous example they given cars. Here they given horse. Next, in the previous example, they given multiple of 3. But in this case, they mentioned is what? Multiple of 4. Friends, again. Previously, they mentioned is what? They mentioned here the distance between each car is successive multiple of 3. Friends, here they mention successive multiple of 3. Next, friends, here they mention the distance between each horse is consecutive integral multiple of 4. Remember, friends, here successive multiple and consecutive multiple both are same. Next, try to solve this question. Try to solve this one. Friends, same model. Try to solve this question. After completion, then answer for given question. What is the distance between of final positions of horse A and D? Final positions of horse A and D. Friends, whether you people are solving or not, friend, those one who are solving, give your comments. Sir, we are trying. Simply, if you are not trying me, then it will be time. Simply, I will explain. If you are trying me, then I will give time and I will give time. Whether you people are solving or not, yes or no, then give your comment. Yes, solving. Yes. Next. Okay, friends, try to solve. If not, I will explain. Friends, but previous exam, this one both are same. Yes, we are trying solve. Yes. Next. Friend, those one who are watching this video, each and every person try to give a comment. Today class entire session is very important. Last 2 years mains questions. Friends, here given one is what? What the distance between the final positions of horse A and D? Answer is friends. In the previous question, directly they only given and the distance between car A and B 33 meter. A is immediate left of B. If they given immediate left of B made, then that one is 33 made. Next one is compulsory 36, then 39, and so on. But here they didn't given like clue point and that means first we are going to find distance between, then we are going to take multiple. We are going to take multiple. What the distance between final positions of horse A and D? Friends, complete or not? Friends, last year SBI clerical means is too tough and too tough. Dinesh Verma 20 meters. Next, once again check. Once again check. Friends, what about remaining candidates? Whether you people are solving or not? Friends, answer is what the distance between final positions of horse A and D? Friends, shall I explain or you people will try? Yes or no? If yourself you solve means you are able to get 5 marks. Friends, here same model they given same model. I already explained one question from this model. That one is PO mains, this one is clerical mains. Okay, friends, shall I explain? Dineshwaran 18 meter. Once again check. Friends, what about remaining candidates? Friend, Dineshwaran, once again check your answer. Okay, friends, Friends, I will explain friends, the given is what? Total we are having 6 horses and the mention is what? Total we are having 6 horses. Total we are having 6 horses. Total we are having 6 horses. Next, the distance between two adjacent horses is increasing from left to right. Increasing from left to right. Next, leave it. Next, left to right in consecutive integral multiple of 4. Consecutive integral multiple of 4. Friends, remember consecutive multiple and integral multiple both are same. And remember consecutive multiple and integral multiple both are same. Both are same. Yes. So when dimension is found, successive multiple or consecutive multiple of 4. That means suppose if they given distance A, suppose 12 and next successive multiple of 4 means for next one is for 16, next one is for 20, next one is for 24, then and so on. Suppose before multiple is for 8, next 4, next one is for then and so on. Why means the next one is for consecutive multiple of 4, otherwise successive multiple of 4. Yes, leave it. When taken first point is what? See here, the distance between horses C and A 60. Yes. The distance between horse C and A 60 meter. Suppose friend check here. Friend the measurement is what? See here. The distance between horse C and A, the distance between horse C and A 60 meter or C and A 60 meter. Otherwise, friends take here D and CA 60 meter. See here. The distance between horse C and A 60 meter. Otherwise, D and CA 60 meter. See here. They mention the distance between horse C and D is 60, otherwise D and C is 60. Yes, leave it. The next point is one, and only two horses stands between them, and only two horses are stands between them. Yes. That means friends here, between C and A, we are having only two horses. We are having only two horses. Here also between D and C, between D and C, we are having only two horses. We are having only two horses. Yes. When the measurement is one, see here the distance between C and A 60 meter. Distance between C and A 60 meter. And only two horses are stands between them. That means between C and D we are having only two horses. C and D two horses. Otherwise D and C we are having only two horses. Yes. But this total distance is what? 60. See here. This total distance is what? 60. Total is what? 60. But between C and D we are having total two horses and suppose and check here. Here we don't know the distance between each horse. We don't know the distance between each horse. But they get clue point is not the distance between each horse is multiple of 4. Successive multiple of 4. Suppose friend check here. Friend suppose if I will take here, if I will take this one is what? X. If I will take this one is what? X. This one is x minus this one is what? This one is what? X plus 4. This one is what? X plus 4. Next one is what? X plus 8. Yes or no? When this one is x, then this one is x means next it will increase by 4. That means x plus 4. Next one is what? X plus 8. That means friends here, the next one is what? This total distance is what? 60. That means friends here, x. Next one is what? X plus 4, x plus 4 plus next one is what? X plus 8. This total is what? 60. This total is what? 60. Yes. So friends here, x plus 4 plus x plus 8. Total is what? 60. So friends, total here we are having total 3x and see here 1, 2, 3. That means total is what? 3x. Total is what? 3x plus 4 plus 8 total is what? 12. 4 plus 8 total is what? 12. Then 3x plus total equal to 60. Then friends here 3x plus 12 equal to 60 may then 3x equal to 60 minus 12 means what? 48. 60 minus 12 is what? 48. That means friends here x equal to 48 by 3. 48 by 3 means what? This one is what? 16. This one is what? 16. Yes. That means friends here x value is what? 16. X value is what? 16. When this one is 16 may next one is what? Successive multiple of 4 means what? Next one is what? 20. Next one is what? 20. Then next one is what? 24. Next one is what? 24. Friends, here we are going to take x. Otherwise, we are going to take 4x. Next one is what? 4x plus 4. Next one is what? 4x plus 8. Your choice and your choice. Yes. Suppose if I will take x may, then this one is x may. Next distance is what? X plus 4. Next one is what? X plus 8. This total is what? 60. Total is what? 60. That means now x plus 4 plus x plus 8. This total is what? 60 means total we are having 3x. That means 3x plus total equal to 60. Then 3x equal to 48. Then x equal to 16. X equal to 16. Friends, here x equal to 16 may. Then next one is what? Plus 4. That means 20. Next one is what? 24. Next one is what? 24. Yes. Next one is 24. Next one is 24. That means here. Next one. Suppose if we take next one. If we take next one. Suppose check here. Suppose take here. Next one is what? 24. That means next one is what? 20. Next one is what? Again we are having 1 hour. This one is what? 28. Next again we are having 1 hour. This one is what? 32. This one is what? 32. Yes. That means 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Why means the maximum is what? Successive multiple of 4. Suppose when check here, before multiple is what? 12. Before multiple is what? 12. Again we are having 1 horse. Before is what? 8. Again we are having 1 horse. Then and so on. Then and so on. Friends, in this case also same. This one is what? See here. This one is 16. Next one is what? 20. Next one is what? 24. Next one is what? Again we are having one. Again we are having 1 horse. See here. This one is what? 20. This one is what? 24. Next, again we are having 1 horse. This one is what? 28. Next, again we are having 1 horse. This one is what? 32. Then and so on. Then and so on. Next, before one is what? 16 means before one is what? 12. We are having 1 horse. Next one before one is what? 8. We are having 1 horse. Then and so on. Then and so on. Yes. Friends, now total there is chance to get 2 possible distance. There is chance to get 2 possibilities. Friends, here the distance between each horse is successive multiple of 4. Successive multiple of 4. So friends, here the mention is what? Distance between C and D is 60, but between C and D we are having total 2 horses. That means they given at the starting clue point is what? The distance between each horse is successive multiple of 4. That means if I will take this one x may, this one is what? X plus 4. Next one is what? X plus 8. This total is what? 60. Total is 60 may, then 3x plus 12 equal to 60. Then 3x equal to here 60 minus 12 is what? 40. Then x equal to 16. X equal to 16. Yes. Now friends, here leave it. Next point is what? The distance between C and D is 60 meter. Next, and only 2 horses stands between them. Next, F sits immediate left of C. Yes, friends, here. Friend, the measurement is what? F sits immediate left of C. Yes, take here. F sits immediate left of C. F sits immediate left of C. Friends, in this case, the mention is what? F sets immediate left of C. F sets immediate left of C. Friends, if I will take here F and if I will take here F is immediate left of C. F sets immediate left of C. Next, leave. Next one is what? Different dimension is what? A sits somewhere right of F. A sits somewhere right of F. Friends, here the dimension is what? Somewhere. But here we don't know. Here we don't know. A sits somewhere right of F. And distance between them is what? Multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. Leave it. Distance, but take this point and see here. Distance between C and B is 44. Take this point. The distance between C and B is 44. Distance between C and B is 44. Friends, here we know already RCC position. But now they mention is what? Distance between RCC and B is. RCC and B is 44. Distance between C and B is 44. Distance between C and B is 44 में suppose check this side left of C is then transfer 44 में no chance. Suppose अपन check here right of C में see here 16 20 36 plus 24 is then transfer 44 then no. That means simply this possibility is wrong. This possibility is wrong. Now take here the distance between hearts C and B is the distance between hearts C and B is 44. Now friends check here hearts C and B is 44 में this one is what? C. Then check here right of C means there is no chance for 44. Y means 28, 32 total is what? 60. But our requirement is what? 44 means then check left of C. Left of C means this one is what? 24. This one is what? 20. Then total is what? 44. That means the measurement is what? This one is what? Hearts. The measurement is what? The distance between hearts C and B is 44. That means this one is C means then this one is what? B. This one is what? B. Now friends check here. The distance between hearts C and B is 44. This one is 20. This one is what? 24. This one is what? 24. Yes. Next friends here. Next leave it. Friends previously taken clue point is what? See here. Previously taken clue point is what? Friends hearts F is F sets immediate left of C. Leave. Next one is what? A sets somewhere right of F. See here. Friends see here. Friends, here the next one is what? See here. F sits immediately left of C completed. This one is what? A sits somewhere right of F. A sits somewhere right of F. And the distance between them is what? Multiple of 6. Distance between them is what? Multiple of 6. Friends, here A sits somewhere right of F. A sits somewhere right of F. Friends, if I will take A sits somewhere right of F. Right of F. So they are facing north means for F. See here. F is facing north means for F. This one is left hand. This one is what? Right hand. Then right side means this one. Suppose one check here. If I will take suppose F here. If I will take here A and if I will take here A. Now A is somewhere right of F. But our requirement is what? The distance between hearts A and F is multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. That means this one is what? 24. This one is what? 28. Friends, see here. 24. Next one is what? 28. Total is what? See here. Total is what? 52. But here 52 is not a multiple of 6. 52 is not a multiple of 6. That means for A here, no chance. That means for A here, no chance. Yes, friends, here. For A here, no chance. Friends, for A here, no chance means suppose friends check here. If I will take here A and if I will take here A. Now check here distance between F and A. Distance between F and A. Friends, here distance between F and A is what? See here. 24. Next one is what? 28. Next one is what? 32. Next one is what? 32. Now friends, total is what? 10. Next 14. Next one is what? 6. Next one is what? 84. Friends, here 84 is multiple of 6. 84 is multiple of 6. Yes or no? Friends, here 84 is multiple of 6. Here 84 by 6 means 6 1 jar. Next 6. Next one is what? 6 4 jar. That means 14 into 6 is what? 84. 14 into 6 is what? 84. That means see here. A is somewhere right of F. A is somewhere right of F. The distance between hearts A and F is multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. Yes. So friends, here. Next point given is what? See here. For next point given is what? See here. A sits somewhere to the right of F. Distance between them is what? Multiple of 6. Distance between C and B is 44. Distance between C and B is 44. Yes, leave it. Friends, total dimension, total how many horses? 6 horses. See here. A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 horses are completed. 6 horses are completed. That means this side there is no chance for these two values and this side there is no chance for these two values. Then leave it. Friends, see here. Now friends, here D completed, B completed, F, C. Next remaining is what? Friends, here A completed, B, next C, next D, F. The remaining is what? This one is what? E. This one is what? E. Now, friends, arrangement is completed. Arrangement is completed. See here, they given is one. Friends, between D and C, between D and C, the distance between horse C and D 60 meter. See, 16, 20, 24 total is what? 60 meter. Between C and D, we are having total two horses. We are having two horses. Next dimension is one. The distance between horse C and B is 44. 20, 24 total is what? 44. Next one is one. A is somewhere right of F. A is somewhere right of F, but distance between A and F is multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. Yes. Now, friends, arrangement is completed. Arrangement is completed. Now, every car is moving and every car is moving. Yes. Now, friends, take here. Every car is moving means now, friends, take here. Dimension is one. Horse A starts moving towards east after moving 12 meter. Yes, friends, here. Now, horse A is moving east. Horse A is moving towards east, and after moving 12 meters, next one is what? It turns to right. Friends, here. After moving 12 meters, it turns to right. Now, facing east means left hand, then right hand, then turns to right, and moves for here. Turns to right and walked for 20 meters and turns to right and walked for 20 meters. See here. And turns to right and walked for 20 meter and walked for 20 meter. Now it is facing south and it is facing south. Now friends, see here, it is facing south means see here. Then this one is for left hand, this one is for right hand. Next. After that 20 meter, again it turns right and moves for 60 meter. Yes, friends, here. Again it turns right and moves for 60 meter. Yes, friends, here. Friends, up to here, this one is for 12. Then this one is for 32. That means total is for 44. 44 means remaining requirement is what? 16. That means here, it turns to right, and moves for 60 and moves for 60. Yes, and moves for 60. Yes. Now, friends, here, and moves for 60 means, friends, here, it turns to right and moves for 60 and moves for 60. Friends, take here. Friends, the measurement is what? See here. Friends, from this end to up to A, this one is for, suppose check here, up to this one is for 12, this one is for 12. Next, from A to A, between A to A distance is what? 32, but total is what? 44. But our requirement is what? Total is what? 60. That means remaining is what? 16. That means remaining is what? 16. Yes, remaining is what? 16. From E to this distance is what? 16. E to this distance totally is 28. This one is 16 means the remaining is what? Remaining is 12. Remaining is 12. Then leave it. Next friends here. Now carrier moving is completed. Carrier moving is completed. Next, after completion of carrier moving, next one is what? Horse F moves in north direction. Horse F moves in north direction for a distance of 20 meter. Yes, friends here. Horse F moves in north direction for a distance of 20 meter. For a distance of 20 meter. Next one is what? Friends, before that, horse A is not complete. See, sorry, Andy. Again, it turns right and moves for 60 meter and moves for 60 meter. From after turning to his left and walking for distance of 5 meter and yes, friends, here. After walking the 60 meter, again it is turning left and again it is turning left and moves for 5 meter and moves for 5 meter and stops at point M and stops at point M. Now, friends, here. Now RCA is completed. RCA is completed. Next one here, go for RCF. RCF moves in north direction for a distance of 20 meter and then turns to his left and moves for 26 meter and moves for 26 meter. Yes, friends, here. 26 meters means friends here. RCF moves here. RCF moves in north direction and for distance of 20 meter, and then turn to his left and moves for 26. Now turn to his left and moves for 26. That means this one is for 20. That means remaining our requirement is for 6 and moves for 26 meter. Moves for 26 meter. Yes. Now facing here, estimate start with left hand, bottom is right hand. After that, the next one is what? Next one is what? See here. RCF moves in north direction and distance of 20 meter and turn to his left and moves for 26 meter. After taking one more, turn to his left. It stops at point N after walking 5 meter. After walking 5 meter, yes. Again it is turning left. And walking 5 meter and stops at point N. See, and stops at point N. Yes. Now RCF is completed. Friends, here they mention for RCF the given is what? RCF moves in a north direction for a distance of 20 meter and turn to his left and moves for 26 meter. After walking one more turn to his left and stops at point N and stops at point N after walking 5 meter. Yes, completed. Now friends, the next one is what? Horse D. Horse D walks south. Yes, friends, here. Horse D walks south. Next, and travel 10 meters and travel 10 meters before turning to left turn. Friends, here. The next one is what? Horse D walks south. Yes, friends, here. Check here. Friends, RCD walks south, RCD walks south, then and travel 10 meter. Yes, friends, here. And travel 10 meter. Sige, RCD walks south, next and travel 10 meters and travel 10 meters. Now, friends, here facing south means this one is for left hand, this one is for right hand, this one is for left hand and right hand. Next, after that, before turning to is left, leave. After 24 meters, it takes right turn and walks for 15 meters. Yes, friends, here. The measurement is what? Horse D walks south and travel for 10 meters and travel for 10 meters before turning to left. Before turning to left. Yes. Now that means now it is taking left turn. Now it is taking left turn. Now it is taking left turn. Next, taking left. After that, taking left turn. Sige. Now take here left turn and moves for 24 and moves for 24. Moves for 24 means friends, this one is for 16. This one is for 16. This one is 16 means remaining our requirement is what? Here 8. Our remaining requirement is what? 8. So friends, here remaining requirement is 8 means friends, here that means up to this one. That means up to this one. Take here. So this one is what? Friends, here this one is what? See here. Up to this one is what? 16. Up to this one is what? 16. But this one is 24 means now remind this one is what? 8. Remind this one is what? 8. Yes. After that, a 24 meter it takes right turn and walk. Yes, here. Horse D walks south. Next and travel 10 meters before turning to left. Now it takes left turn. Now it takes left turn. After 24 meter, it takes right turn. It takes right turn. Yes. Now friends, here it takes right turn. It takes right turn. See here. Here it takes right turn. Here it takes right turn. And it takes right turn and walked for after 24 meter, it takes a right turn and walk for that means here it takes right turn, that means 24 and that means here 24. Friends, here 24 means friends, here the measurement is what? Friends, here we are having 20, here we are having 20, next year we are having 5, that means what is what? 25. But here friends, the measurement is what? 10 and the measurement is what? 10. Next here the measurement is what? 24. The measurement is what? 24. It takes right turn and walks for 15. Friends, here 24 completed. Then this one is what? 15. This one is what? 15. Yes. This one is what? 15. Next, after that, it takes right turn and walked for after 24 meters. After 24 meter, it turns right and walked for 15 meter. Yes, friends, here and walked for 15 meter. Yes, friends, here. Now horse D is at this point and horse D is at this point. Yes. Now horse D is at this point means now friends, here. Friends, now our requirement is what? Now our requirement is what? The distance between horse D and the measurement is what? Distance between final positions of horse A and horse D. Friend, this is the final positions for horse D. This is the final positions for horse A. Now we are going to calculate this distance. Now we are going to calculate this distance means, friend, this total is what? 20. This total is 20 means here. Already 8 is completed. Already 8 is completed. That means remaining is what? Here we are having 12. Here we are having 12. Here we are having 12 means between F and C we are having 24. Between F and C we are having 24. Friends, here C to A, this total is what? 28. Total is what? 28. But already 16 completed. Already 16 completed. 16 completed means then remaining is what? 12. Then remaining is what? 12. Yes. Friends, here 24. Next total is what? Here 24. Total is what? 48. That means the distance between final positions of RC and DA is 48. Final positions of RC and DA is 48. Yes. Friends, this is the answer for given question. This is the answer for given question. Friends, again, in the entire one, is there any doubt? Friends, again, the measurement is one. Friends, for D, don't get any confusion. Here I written something, so it is little bit confused. Again, the measurement is one. Horse D is moves 10 meters south before taking left turn. That means after it will take left and moves for 24 meter before taking right. After taking right turn, it moves for 15. It moves for 15. Friends, again, Friends, here the measurement is what? 15. Here the measurement is what? 15. See here. Here we are having 15. That means here we are having 10. That means total is what? 25. Here 25. Next here 20. This one is 5. That means these two are at the same line. These two are at the same line. These two are at the same line means now we are going to calculate this distance. We are going to calculate this distance. This distance means see here. BD of total is what? 20. BD of total is 20. But here the given is what? 8 means remaining is what? 12. Between F and C distance is what? 24. F and C distance is what? 24. Next one is here. Between C and total is what? 28. But here already 16 completed. The remaining is what? 12. The remaining is what? 12. Now 24, 12 plus 12. Total is what? 48. Total is what? 48. Yes. Next, offense here. This is the given entire arrangement. The given entire arrangement. Friends, in this entire arrangement, is any doubt? Yes or no? They given this question is for 5 marks in last year SBA clerical mains. Last year SBA clerical mains. Friends, in this question, is there any doubt? Yes or no? Friends, once class is complete means once again try to solve it. Once again try to solve. That time you will get clarity. In this, is there any doubt? Friends, what about remaining percent? Those one who are watching this video, in this question, is there any doubt? Yes or no? 8% this model is very, very important. Dineshwaran, no. Next, Angela, next, no. Next, friends, what about remaining? Those one who are watching this video, is there any doubt? If you are having any doubt, then give us comment and simply I will explain. Friends, yes or no? Balu, no. Next, Vasudev, no. Next, remaining, those one who are watching this video, in this question, is there any doubt? In the multiples of models, yes. Next, yes, friends, sige. Go for next question. Go for next question, sige. Yes, friends, sige. Now the next one is what? Sige. Friends, they gave this question in last year IBPS PO mains. They gave this question in last year IBPS PO mains. Last year IBPS PO mains. Friends, here the next one is what? Study the following information to answer the given question. Each question carries 2 marks. Total they given 2 questions. Total 4 marks and total 4 marks. They gave this question in last year IBPS PO mains. Last year IBPS PO mains. See here. Friends, total we are having ABCD are the corners of the rectangle, are the corners of the rectangular field, such that A is to the north of B, A is to the north of B, leave it. CA 0.2 km to the east of A, CA is 0.2 km east of A. Next one, the longer side of the rectangle field is 2 km, yes. Next, E, F, G and H are the corners of another rectangle field, such that E is 1.6 km to the west of G, E is 1.6 km to the west of G. Next, H is 1.2 km to the south of G and in the east of F. Next one is what? See, rectangular field EFGH intersects the line joining AB and CD at KL and IJ respectively. They mention respectively. Next, it is also known that KA is KA 0.9 km towards the east of E and JA 0.4 km towards the north of D. JA 0.4 km to the north of D. Yes. So when this is the given entire information, the given entire information. Yes. Friends, if you want question me, see here. Yes, friends, see here. Take your first question. Take your first question. Just see the question. Just note down the question. Next answer for given one. See here. If the person X wants to reach the point A from point D, so person X wants to reach the point A from point D, then which of the following will be the correct direction to reach his destination? Which of the following will be the correct direction to reach his destination? Yes. When this is the given question, friends, here they given question only to begin it. That means it is not possible to fix in within one slide. That means, friends, first to try to solve the First try to solve the arrangement and first try to solve the arrangement. Once arrangement is complete means then give your comment, then I will give questions and I will give questions. Yes, try to solve. They given this question in last year IBPS PO mains. They given total two questions. Each question carries total 2 marks. That means total 4 marks. Friends, whether you people are solving or not, yes or no. If you are solving me, then give your comment. Then I will give some time to solve. Yes, sir. Trying. Next, what about remaining? Friend, those one who are watching this video, each and every person try to participate in live chat. They gave this question last year IBPS PO mains. Next question last before year IBPS PO mains and each and every model is maximum new patterns. Balu, yes sir, we are trying. Next, Vasudev, yes, we are trying. Friends, what about remaining? Those one who are watching this video, each and every person try to give a comment. That my friends here, our friends here, the mention is one. Total we are having two rectangles. One is ABCD rectangle, other one is one EFGH. That means one is inside the another one, like that they given and just to try to solve. If not, I will explain. When just hardly I will give 2 minutes time and I will give 2 minutes time. Try to solve. If once solving is complete me, then give your comment. Then I will give questions. Friends, complete or not? Friends, yes or no? Friends, once if it is completed, take next questions and take here next questions. If the person X wants to reach the point A from point D, then which of the following will be the correct direction to reach his destination? Explain it, sir. Just small confusion on intersection. Friends, what about remaining? Friends, what about remaining? Friends, what about remaining persons? Whether you people are solving or not, or is there any confusion? If you are having any confusion, simply I will explain. Yes, friends, here. Yes, friends, here. Here I'm explaining here. Friends, given is one. Totally we are having ABCD are the corners of the rectangular field. ABCD are the corners of the rectangular field. Leave such that A is to the north of B. A is to the north of B. Yes. Friend, dimension is what? A is to the north of B. Friends, take here. Dimension is what? Friends, take here. A is to the north of B. A is to the north of B. Yes, leave it. Next one is what? Next. A is north of B. This means what? CA 0.2 kilometer to the east of A. When the measurement is what? CA 0.2 kilometer to the east of A. Friends, east of A means different is what? This one, CA. Now the measurement is what? CA 0.2 kilometer, 0.2 kilometer to the east of A. CA 0.2 kilometer to the east of A. Yes. So when this one is 0.2 kilometer made, then this one has a compulsory 0.2. Why means in your rectangle, if you're going to take here rectangle, and if you're going to take rectangle, see here. Friends, here, if you're going to take rectangular field, see here, these two sides are same and these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. That means, friends, here the measurement is what? See here. The measurement is what? See here. A is, see here, A is to the north of B. A is to the north of B. Next one is what? See here. Point CA, 0.2 kilometer, 0.2 kilometer east of A, 0.2 kilometer east of A. Leave. When dimension is what? The longer sides of the rectangular field is 2 kilometer. Yes. When dimension is what? Longer side is 2 kilometer. Friends, already they given one side is what? 0. One side is what? 0.2. That means longer side means what? This one. Longer side means what? This one. Yes. So friends, here the measurement is what? The longer side of the rectangular field is what? Friends, take here up this one. See here. The longer side of the rectangular field is what? 2 kilometer. Yes, here. The longer side of the rectangular field is what? 2 kilometer. Yes. So when this one is 2 kilometer made, then this one also compulsory 2. See here. This one also compulsory 2 kilometer. See here. This one also compulsory 2 kilometer. Then this one is for D. This one is for D. See here. A, this one is for B, this one is for C, this one is for D. Friends, see here. This one is 0.2 me, then this one also compulsory 0.2. This one also compulsory 0.2 kilometer. Yes. Friends, see here. This one is 2 kilometer me, then this one also compulsory 2 kilometer. This one also compulsory 2 kilometer. Yes, see here. This one also compulsory 2 kilometer. Yes. Now ABCD rectangle is completed. Friends, see here. The measurement is what? See here. A is to the north of B. A is to the north of B. Next, C is 0.2 kilometer east of A. C is 0.2 kilometer east of A. Next one is what? The longer side of the rectangle is 2 kilometer. And see again. One side already the given one is what? 0.2. Then longer side means what? This one. This one is 2 kilometer. Then this one also compulsory 2 kilometer. Yes. This one is 0.2 means this one is what? 0.2. Yes, leave it. Now friends, here ABCD is completed. Next one is what? See here. The longer side of the rectangular field is 2 km. Leave. Next EFGH are the corners of another rectangle. That means here we are having total two rectangles and ABCD is one rectangle and EFGH is another rectangle. See here. So friends, here EFGH are the corners of the another rectangular field such that E is 1.6 km to the west of G. Friends, here we don't know about E and G. We don't know about E and G. Then leave it. H is 1.2 km to the south of G. Here we don't know about H and G. Leave. Next, and in the east of F, leave. Rectangular field EFGH intersect the line joining AB and CD. AB and CD. Yet KL, that means KL and IJ respectively. See, when the dimension is what? AB, dimension is what? CD. These two are joining at KL and IJ respectively. That means ABCD at KL, dimension is what? CD is at IJ. They will intersect respectively. Leave. It is also known that K is 0.9 km towards the east of E. K is 0.9 km towards east of E and J is 0.4 km towards the north of D. Yes, friends, here. When the dimension is what? J is 0.4 km north of D. Now take this point and see here. Friends, here for D this one D. Now the dimension is what? Dimension is what? See here. Point J is 0.4 km north of D. Yes, friends, take here. Friends, 1 minute see here. Friend, this one is what? 2 km. This one is what? 2 km leave. Now, friend, the next one is what? See here. Point J is 0.4 km north of D. North of D. Yes, friends, see here. For north of D means what? See here. The next one is what? A. Next, this one is what? B. A. B. Next one is what? C. Next one is what? D. Now, friend, the next one is what? Point J is 0.4 km north of D. Then take a point J. This point J is what? 0.4 km north of D. 0.4 km north of D. Yes. Now, friends, here 0.4 km north of D completed. Friends, but again, clue point is what? AB is intersecting at KL and CD is intersecting at IJ. Then this one is what? J. This one is what? J. This one is J means this one is what? Compulsory. See here. This one is J, this one is compulsory I. This one is what? Compulsory I. Why means here CD is intersecting at IJ. CD is intersecting at IJ. Yes, leave it. Now, friends, here I completed. This one is what? I completed. Next, leave it. After I completed means next go for next another clue point. See here. Next, friends, here the measurement is what? EFGH are the corners of the another rectangular field such that E is 1.6 km to the west of G. Leave. H is 1.2 km to the south of G and the east of F. Rectangular field EFGH intersect the line joining at AB and CD. That means AB is intersecting at KL. AB is intersecting at KL. So friends, see here. AB is intersecting at KL means that means first one is what? See here. This one is what? K. This one is what? K. Then this one is what? L. This one is what? L. AB is intersecting at KL. Next, CD is intersecting at IJ. They mention respectively. Yes. Now, friends, here they mention here. It is also known that K is 0.9 km to the east of E. Yes, here. Now take here. K is 0.9 km to the east of E. See here. Take here. K is 0.9 km to the east of E. See here. K is 0.9 km to the east of E. Next, if you know about K means next here. K is 0.9 km east of E. Next one is what? For next point is what? Next, they mention here. EFGH are the corners of the another rectangular field such that E is 1.6 km to the west of G. See here. The measurement is what? E is 1.6 km to the west of G. E is west of G. Friends, see here. This one is what? 0.9. This one is what? 0.9. Friend, this one is 0.9 means, see here. This complete one, this one is what? 0.2 only. This one is what? 0.6. This one is what? 0.2. This one is what? 0.2. 0.9 plus 0.2. Total is what? 1.1. But our requirement is what? 1.6. 1.6 means the remaining is what? 0.5. The remaining is what? 0.5 kilometer. Then this one is what? Sige. Point EA is 1.6 kilometer west of G. Then this one is what? Rectangle G, and this one is what? G. Now take this G. Now see our requirement is what? Point E is 1.6 kilometer west of G. 1.6 kilometer west of G. Friends, see here 0.5. Next this total is what? 0.2. Total is what? 0.7. 0.7 plus 0.9. Total is what? 1.6. Total is what? 1.6. Yes. Next leave it. Next one is what? H is 1.2 kilometer to the south of G. Yes, friends, again. Friend, the next one is what? H is 1.2 kilometer to the south of G. Friends, H is 1.2 kilometer to the south of G. See here. The next one is what? See here. H is see here 1.2 kilometer to the south of G. See here. H is 1.2 kilometer to the south of G. Friends, 1.2 kilometer to the south of G means, friends, see here, this total is what? See here, total is 2. Total is 2 means, then this one is what? 0.4. This one is 0.4. This one is what? 1.2. That means total is what? 1.6. That means remaining this one is what? 0.4. See here. Remaining this one is what? 0.4. This one is what? 0.4. Yes. Now, friend, this one is what? This one also 0.4. This one also 0.4. Yes, leave it. Next, H is 1.2 kilometer to the south of G and east of F, and east of F. That means here H is east of F. H is east of F. H is east of F. Next one is friends here. That means this one is what? Friends here. This one also is what? 0.2. See here. When this one is what? 0.2. Then this one is what? F. This one is what? F. Now H is east of F. See here. H is 1.2 kilometer south of G. Next, H is east of F. H is east of F. Now, friends, here H is east of F. May friends, here this one is 1.2. May then this one also compulsory 1.2. This one also compulsory 1.2 kilometer. Yes. So, when this is the given entire arrangement, and the given entire arrangement. That means here we are having ABCD rectangle. At the same time, we are having next one is what? Next one is what? See here. E, next one is what? F, next one is what? G, next one is what? H. When this total is what? 2 kilometer. Total is 2 kilometer means this one is what? 0.4 means this one is 0.4. Then middle is what? 1.2. Middle is what? 1.2. Yes. Now, friends, here till now is there any doubt? Yes or no? If you don't have any doubt, then go for questions. I will give questions. Friends, in this one is there any doubt? Friends, here the next one is what? A, B and C, D at KL and IJ respect. That means ABA is intersecting at KL and IJ is next CD is intersecting at IJ. Friends, still now is there any doubt? Yes or no? If you don't have any doubt, then I will give questions. Friends, please give your comment. If you don't have any doubts, I will give question. Then questions I will give for your choice, for your choice, and you people only should answer. In the making diagram, is there any doubt? Yes or no? Vasudev, no. Next, remaining persons, no doubt. Next, Angela, no doubt. Friends, remaining those one who are watching this one, in this question, is there any doubt? Yes. Friends, if you don't have doubt me, then take this one is screenshot only. Take this entire answer is take screenshot. Take screenshot. Why means if I will take next questions me, then answer will go and then answer will go. Take screenshot. Friends, take that answer is screenshot. Why means here questions are not there and the questions are in next slide. Yes, friends, here. Next, friends, here. Answer for first question. Sige. Answer for first question. Friends, here. Given one is what? If the person X wants to reach the point A from D, he want to reach the point A from point D. Sige. Friends, you want to reach point A from point D. See, Person X wants to reach the point A. Person X wants to reach the point E. See here. He want to reach the point A. Then from point D. From point D. Then the again question is what? See here. The again question is you want to reach point E from point D. Then which are the following will be the correct direction to reach his destination? Which of the following is the correct destination to reach his destination? Friends, here we are having option number A. Here we are having option number B. We are having option number C. Next, even two options are in. Next slide. Just check here for these three. Is there a chance? Friends, they give questions are too lengthy, and why they give lengthy means each question carries 2 marks. X walk, friends, friends in the given information they given kilometer, but here they given in meter, they given in meters. Once observe that point also, and yes, X walks 1600 meter to the north of point D, then he takes left turn and walks 1000 to reach point E. Friends, in first three options, is there any chance? Friends, check here once are answered. In first three options, is there any chance? Yes or no? Yes, friends, here. Friends, go for here questions and go for here questions. Friends, go for your questions. Is here. If person X wants to reach point A from point D, you want to reach not A. Yes, friends, not A. That means for A, option number A, no chance. Next, suppose here, if person X wants to reach point A from point D, then which of the following will be the correct direction? Which of the following will be the correct direction? Yes. Friends, the measurement is what? The measurement is what? From point E and from point E. Suppose friends check here. Friends, here our answer is what? Stay here. Friends, take here. Our answer is what? See, the dimension is what? A. Next, C. Next dimension is what? Here dimension B. Next dimension D. Next, see here dimension here A. Next F. Next one is what? G. Next last one is what? H. Last one is what? H.